I just love swimming. Well, it all started when my children started swimming and they swam out of this centre, and it just ignited my love for it. And I came down on pool and I helped out coaching. And then I thought, can I do this for a career? And I did my qualifications, got a job, and it's just grown from there. And I just love seeing people just love water and what they can achieve in water. I teach every day, and mainly I teach children in the main pool from stage 3 up to stage 7 and 8. And in the evenings, I do the adults. And in the afternoons, I teach the little babies, 3-year-olds. Part of my passion for swimming is seeing someone you teach from 3 years old go right up to 18 years old and go through the pathway of swimming. It is hard work, but just the pleasure you get from seeing people accomplish things. You know, with the adults as well, you know, it doesn't matter what age you are, when they can actually swim a little bit to swim a lot, the rewards are outstanding. And you make such good friends with not only the children, but the parents and the adults that you teach. You just become part of a family. That's what I really believe. I think we are part of a family.
Ymunwch â thîm Conwy. Conwy.gov.uk/swyddi